Today I'm going to show you how to change out the drivetrain oil on a Polaris General. It's going to be a similar process for the 2-seaters, the 4-seaters, and the XP models. And you know, these machines have been around for a long time, so 2016 and newer. It's all going to be a similar process. This one is a 2020, and you should be changing this stuff out at least every 1,000 miles and every 250 miles in severe conditions. Now, it's something that's simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. To get this done, we have the Tusk Drivetrain Oil Change Kit. It comes with your choice of oil, whether it's Polaris, Maxima, Bel-Ray, and that's going to have enough oil to do the front and the rear. We also have contact cleaner, safety glasses, rubber gloves, rags, an 8mm Allen socket, torque wrench, drain pan. I also have a funnel with a long hose on it and a measuring cup. Now, if you need any of this stuff, you can click the link in the description below or just head over to our website. We're going to start with the transmission oil, and I'm just going to place the drain pan in between the two rear axles. So straight above the drain pan, we've got the hole in the skid plate. This is our drain bolt. I'm going to wipe it off. If there's any dirt or anything around it, you want to get that off of there. Then we're going to use an 8mm Allen socket and remove it. Next, we have the fill plug in the back. I'm going to clean around it, remove it, and then I'm going to wipe down both plugs. You can see we've got a little bit of metal shaving buildup on that magnet, but a little bit like that is normal to see. If you see big chunks, you definitely want to find out what's going on. And as we're wiping these up, I'm just taking a look at the O-rings. You want to make sure they're in good condition, and if they look bad, you want to get them replaced. Next, I'm going to clean up the sealing surfaces, and I'm going to install the drain plug and tighten that down to 14 foot-pounds. And I'm also going to wipe off any excess oil. After that, I'm going to measure out 1,300 milliliters, and I'm going to fill this with our Maxima transmission oil. If you have the Polaris stuff, it's going to be the AGL gear case lubricant. If you have a little extra in there like us, you just want to let that oil level off. And I also have just a little bit of oil on those O-rings. And then install that fill plug and torque it to 14 foot-pounds. Now for the front gear case oil, we're going to place the drain pan between the two front wheels. And if you look straight up from there, there should be a cutout in the skid plate for the drain plug. Again, we're using our 8mm Allen socket to remove it. While that's draining, we're going to remove the fill plug on the side. Again, cleaning that off before we take it out. Then we'll clean up both plugs and inspect those O-rings. After that, I'm going to put a little bit of oil on the O-rings and then install the drain plug to 10 foot-pounds. Now we can fill the front gear case with fluid. So if you have the Polaris stuff, it's going to be 250 milliliters of demand drive fluid. But for us, this is that SXS drive fluid from Maxima. And once you have that filled up, you can install the fill plug and torque it to 10 foot-pounds. And just keep in mind, this is just like the back. That fluid should be up to the bottom of the threads. And that's it. That's all there is to changing the drivetrain oil on your Polaris General. If you need that drivetrain oil change kit or anything else for your machine, you can pick that up on our website or just click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.